My name is Ken Russell. I'm with Russell Law. I've been practicing estate law for over 30 years. In this video, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about trusts. Trusts are documents that are used in estate planning, are very flexible documents, and are used to solve a number of different client problems. In order to understand trusts, you first need to understand that there are three primary actors: the grantor, the trustee, and the beneficiary. The grantor is the person who makes the trust. The trustee is the person who is designated to oversee the trust for the benefit of the third actor, the beneficiary. So three primary actors in a trust: grantor, trustee, beneficiary. The trust essentially is a written document where the grantor says that I have assets, I'm transferring assets into the trust either during my lifetime or at my death, and I'm asking you, the trustee, to oversee them, take care of them, invest them, and then pay money to the beneficiary. I'm going to designate instructions to the trustee. I'm going to designate to the trustee how I want that trustee to provide those assets to the beneficiaries. So three primary actors, and that's essentially how it works. One of the basic ways in which trusts are different is trust can be irrevocable or revocable. A revocable trust you can set up and terminate. A revocable trust, name the trustee, you could change the trustee. Put money into a revocable trust, you can take it out. An irrevocable trust is just the opposite. Once you set it up, you can't terminate it. Once you name the trustee, you can't change the trustee. And then once you put money in, you can't take it out. That's something that you don't have any control over as the grantor once you make it. Each trust has its own purpose and reasons. And there are multiple trusts for a variety of circumstances. Just as an example, sometimes we use a trust because a parent has minor children, and we want to make sure the minor children can have their money and someone's overseeing it for them. That's a very basic use of a trust. Sometimes we have clients come in with certain estate sizes, and we want to make sure that when we provide assets to their children, that is protected from a divorcing spouse or a creditor. That would be an asset protection trust. Sometimes we have an irrevocable life insurance trust, which essentially makes sure that a life insurance policy isn't included in someone's estate. Sometimes we have a special needs child, and that special needs child may need a special needs trust, which makes sure that even if that child receives assets from a bequest, from a parent, from another grantor in a will, that their eligibility for government programs, which are measured and tested on the basis of income and assets, aren't put in jeopardy. A number of different trusts for a number of different reasons. But what I wanted you to remember from this video is the three primary actors of a trust, whether it's revocable or irrevocable, and then we can talk about your particular circumstances and which trusts may meet your challenges or needs. In addition, on the website, you'll see a number of different trusts that will go into a further explanation and why those trusts are used. So trusts are a critical piece of estate planning, very flexible and useful for clients. If you have any questions about setting up a trust for you, yourself, or others, please give us a call at Russell Law.